In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game MEGABONK on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website. After that we will search for the game MEGABONK and then search for it. As you can see, it is over here and we will select it. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that this game at Steam is €8.28. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Here we are going to search for the same game, MEGABONK, and then search for it. Now if you select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first, then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, and then we can select it. Now if you open the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for €6.86 compared to the Steam price of €8.28. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation including all the steps to follow and a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!